Ladies and gentlemen, welcome on my YouTube channel. This is the test review of the S9 Plus ROM for your Samsung Galaxy Note 8, your Samsung Galaxy Note 8 S8 Plus, and your Samsung Galaxy S8. This is so great. Look at what the shock, my friend! Unbelievable! Look at this. Ooh. Well, look at this effect. Are you serious? Look at again. What? Unbelievable. Look at this. What? It's so nice. Look at this. What is this? What? On your Samsung Galaxy Note 8 and your Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus and S8. It's so great. Open. What the shock. Look at this, my friend. It's unbelievable. Close all of this. What the shock. I love this screen. What? My friend. It's so beautiful. Look at on my end. Look at on my end. Wow. What is this? Okay. Let me to show you. Look at beautiful menu. Thank you. Open my face. Home screen. And Play Store. Okay. Thank you. Got away. Okay. We go. Look at wonderful. Look at this. Ooh. Unbelievable. What else? What I can open? Okay. Calendar. Open another application. Wonderful. Look at on my screen, my friend. It's unbelievable. 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 Look at wonderful. What a shock. What a shock. Look at on my screen, my friend. Look at this. Wow. It's so nice. And it's so great. What else? Wonderful. Look at. Wow. Homepage. Wonderful. Look at again. Okay. Wallpaper item. Miss B is here. Wallpaper item. Hello. View all. What the shock. Look at all of this. This is S9 Plus Home. Wow. Wow. Okay. Wonderful. Close all of this. Page. Home page. Lock screen. Look at. Woohoo! Lock screen again. Look at. It's so nice. It's so nice, my friend. It's so very nice. Look at, my friend. It's so beautiful. Look at this. What? I like this. Woo! Look at this effect. I like this effect. Look at this. Ooh. What a shock. Look at on my end, my friend. Look at on my end. Look at this, my friend. Look at this. A badge. Look at this, my friend. Lock screen. Ooh, it's so great. Look at. I like this. What else into? Okay. Look at beautiful settings. Okay. I know all of this. Okay, clean. Okay, let's go to see now the camera. Okay, open the camera to see. Okay, turn on. Thank you. What's new on the camera? Look at all of this feature on your camera. Look at all of this. Wonderful. Done. Woo. It's so nice. There are also slow motion in your camera. Slow motion and slow and sharper. Slow motion. Can I test? Yeah. One and two. Let me to show you. Right now. Okay. Slow motion is also here. Get ready to do this. Get ready to do this. Look at my friend. Okay. Let me do zoom. Again. Again. Video. Look at. Okay. Okay, stop it. Let's see. Let's see right now. Okay. Video. Get ready. Get ready to see this. Hello. Look at on my screen. Wow. Okay, do this. Hello. Slow motion editor is here. Okay, save this. Save. Okay. Home. Video. Where my video? Video. And go back. Video editor. Open this. Close. Look at my friend. It's good. Look at this. Okay. Wow. Look at. Wow. It's unbelievable. Unbelievable. Okay. Look at. Wow, amazing. I like this. Look at again. Wow. I like this. I like this. Okay. Thank you. What the shock. Look at this. Wow. What is this, my friend? What is this, my friend? What is this? Wow. Thank you. What else on my camera? As you see, close all of this. Double click here to access your camera quickly. Turn. Sticker. And as you see, you can see here, create my emoji. Create my emoji on Samsung Galaxy Note 9, Note 8, on Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus and S8. You need to install before. Okay, wait for the installation. Okay, look at the progress. The process is in front of you here. Wait for the finishing. Almost finished. Look at. Okay, now do this, close all of this. Okay, good. And open your beautiful camera. Open this sticker. Create my emoji. Is it good? Create my emoji. Hello. Okay, here you can take your photo. Let me do this. I also what is done. Look at me. Who are you, my friend? Okay, click this and click on next. Okay, creating create 3D mask. All right. Okay, what the shock? Look at on my screen, my friend. What the shock? Ooh, your emoji is here. Your beautiful emoji is here. Look at. Ooh, wonderful. Wow. Emoji is available on your beautiful Samsung Galaxy Note 9, Note 8, and Note S8 and S8 Plus. Look at, it's so good. It's so cool. Wow. Change. Ooh. Wow. Okay, not bad. Look at this, my friend. Look at this. Wow. I like this. I like this. Okay. To this. Wonderful. Ooh. Beautiful. Beautiful. Thank you. Now click on click on reset. Okay. Okay. Ooh. What a shock. Look at. Is it DJ Durba? Okay. Do you know DJ Durba? DJ Cole. Joe Cole. Okay. Wonderful. Now, if you are finished, click on save. Save right now. And create my emoji stickers. Okay, you can create the emoji sticker. Is under. Look at. Okay. Click on OK. And we wonderful is finished. Home. Messages. Do this. Next. All of this is for Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus, S8 9 Plus. Yeah. Click here. Ooh. Message. For this Start to this one. Okay, you click on start. Do this. Click here. And look at under. Look at under. Look at under. Wonderful. Wonderful. What a shock. Look at this, my friend. Your emojis is here. Click on OK. Ooh. All this. Look at this, my friend. It's great. What? Minus. Emoji. Do this. And click here. And wonderful. Okay, you can choose this if you want. Okay, go back. You can send all of these emojis to Instagram and network. Wow, what do you think about this ROM? I think that this ROM is so beautiful. Beautiful. But they are not the edge panel. The edge panel is not here. I don't like this. I like the edge panel. I also that in the next ROM, the edge panel will appear. Okay, don't forget to subscribe to see the next ROM. And you can also see in the previous video, I have installed a new ROM and I'll show you how to install this ROM. Close all of this. Beautiful. Okay, thank you for watching. This is there was the S9 ROM for you. What? I like this effect. Look at. Look at this. Wow. Wow. Jean. Wow. Wonderful. Okay. Can I use this? Okay. I can use my S Pen on this ROM. Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Okay. I love you so much. Get ready for the next video. Woo! Wonderful. On Samsung Galaxy Note 8. Subscribe today for the next video. Let's go.